it starts to bubble. Now we're putting the kirsch and the corn flour mix in it. And also the cheese. Now you put the gas on very low and you just stir until the cheese is all melted. Already starting to melt, and you also can put some extra garlic in it. We like our garlic, so we put heaps of them in it. But you can make it to your tasting. Now you also put the seasoning in, some paprika, some nutmeg, some salt.
Yummy.
Pepper. Just stir that in. And tradition has it, if you lose your cube of bread in the fondue, you have to drink a shot kirsch eggs. So you don't want to lose the bread. You don't? Same here. I try not to lose it.